Today, we're unlocking the power of Tableau to effortlessly combine data from various sources and tackle those tricky scenarios where amounts differ. First, let's imagine we have two data sources, one containing sales data and another with marketing campaign expenses. Both have a region field, but their amounts differ. Sales are dollars earned and campaign costs are dollars spent. Now, let's connect to your sales data source. Use the connection panel to import your sales data, confirming that you have fields for region, product, and sales amount. It's all about getting the information into Tableau. Next, connect to your second data source, the marketing campaign expenses. Again, make sure that region is included and that this is the field linking back to your sales data. Let's head to a blank worksheet. Notice the data pane with both data sources listed. This is where the magic begins. Start by dragging the region dimension from your primary sales data source onto the row shelf. Then bring in the sales amount to build your visual chart. This lets you visualize your sales per region. Now, let's bring in the marketing data. Enable data blending by clicking the blending icon next to your second data source. Drag the region from your campaign data source onto the row shelf, directly under the sales region, and drop cost onto the main chart to create a second bar chart. You'll now have a visual showing both the sales generated and the marketing costs in each region, showing how the different amounts are being displayed. You can see both metrics directly in one place. Your final output is set for easy comparison and informative analysis.